Both languages, okay.
Okay, ma'am. So, shall we begin?
Ah, sure.
Okay, okay, ma'am. So, I just want to you to please introduce yourself.
Myself, Nikki Sharma. I've taken graduation in Odisha. I've completed my master's in IGNOU. Last year it was completed, and I cleared my state exam last year only.
Okay, ma'am. Have you tried for BPSC?
Still, form is not released. Notification is not released. That's why.
Okay, and your academic qualification? I want you to please tell us in a bit detail.
In detail means from the very start.
Yes, it may
Actually,
be
I'm from
3 to 4 lines.
sorry.
In
Hello.
roughly 3 to 4 lines.
Okay. I'm from Odisha. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
I've taken my total studies are from Odisha.
Okay,
Graduation, everything, but only that master degree I've done here only.
okay,
Uh, IGNOU from distance
okay,
learning.
ma'am. Okay. So, why do you want
And
to become a computer
everything details
teacher?
are already given in the CV.
Yes, yes, I
Everything.
know. Okay, ma'am. Why do you want to become a computer teacher?
I have interest in teaching, and I've teached some people, students also, but not
Okay,
with money, like without money.
okay,
Free. That's first.
okay. So, my next question is, why should we hire you?
And I'm good at teaching, and I'm very eager to teach the students to learn about the digital world. Now everywhere is going to be AI, and I want every people should learn about AI, how to use systems, computers. They should know at least the knowledge about it. So that's why.
Okay.
And
So,
right
ma'am,
now in India, especially in Bihar, also there is less people who are known about computer, how to use it, how to do. So in Bihar also, I want to people develop in this digital world.
yes, sure. Okay, ma'am. So, everyone has their own strengths and weakness. I just want to know about yours.
My strength, I can do any kind of work. Means I'm not going to say no. If I'm able to do, I will do. But
Mm-hmm.
weakness is my if there is a problem beside me, then it will be
काय
a
नाही लावून का
bit different.
काय नाही लावून का
And
Okay.
especially related to family and
काय
all.
नाही लावून का
Yes,
काय
that's good. Okay, ma'am. Where do you see yourself after 5 years?
At a very good position in teaching also. I want to clear my BPSC also. Mm,
Yes, definitely. Best of luck for this. Okay. So,
पैसा
in
बा
the next section, we are going to ask a few questions about your knowledge, subjective knowledge. Okay.
okay.
So, just we are starting with a very basic question. What is the difference between hardware and software?
Hardware which we can feel and software which we cannot feel, but we can see. Means software we used to program, hardware we can feel.
Okay. And explain the RAM and ROM.
RAM is temporary memory, whereas ROM is volatile memory, where we can.
Uh, RAM, please, ma'am, repeat it.
RAM is volatile memory,
Okay.
where ROM is non-volatile memory. In RAM, it means if systems getting off, it will banish every data that we have entered. But while in ROM, it will be there.
Okay. So the next question is, what is an operating system? You have to explain this question with examples.
Operating system is a software where, with the help of it, we can run a computer or a system. Means it's like a brain of the computer, kind of we can say. Means without it, we can't run our system. It helps to run and utilize how to do every task, everything with operating system only. That like example, Microsoft, like that.
Okay, ma'am. So the next question is, what is an OSI model?
SI model is a 7-layer model.
Okay.
7 layer has 7 layers.
What are
Uh,
the 7 layers?
physical, application, physical layer, data link layer, network layer, um, um,
It's transport.
transport layer. Yeah, I'm messing it, mixing it up,
Okay, okay.
but I'm not
Okay.
telling it seriously.
Okay, just
Um,
be relaxed. Session, presentation, and the at last application. Okay, it's
fine.
fine. Okay, ma'am. I just want to. The next question is compiler and interpreter. Can you please differentiate between them?
Compiler and
Compiler.
interpreter.
Yes.
Compiler, interpreter execute step by step, but in compiler we execute totally. Means as a whole
Okay.
after writing the program.
Hmm. And can you please give us some examples of compiler and interpreter?
Like Python program is
Okay.
interpreter. And
Okay.
while writing C programs and all, there we use a compiler.
Okay, it's fine. Ma'am, do you know about DBMS?
Yeah,
Okay, tell us.
खाए चलो
DBMS, database management system, where it's like a virtual file system.
Hmm.
Means how we are storing in file when there is no system. We're storing everything in file, but
खाएगा चल
due
रहा
to this DBMS, we are able to store in a system as much as we can in management wise in a perfectly where we can have everything very easily. Means in physically we need to search, it will be very hard to search, but in dbms where we are need to just type word something and we can search. It helps in managing the files, datas, everything in organized way.
Okay, ma'am. And what is cloud computing?
It's a cloud storage actually.
Hmm.
Means it stores data in server where means, yeah, it's a very huge space where we can save how much data we can.
Okay.
Means like how we are using our Google Photos, drives, and all. It's everything is cloud. You're storing everything in cloud actually. Like I told
Okay,
you.
ma'am. In the next section, I'm going to ask you questions about teaching methodology. Okay.
Okay.
So my first question, how will you teach computer fundamentals to class 6 students?
How will it teach?
I'm just repeating my question. How will you teach computer fundamentals to class 6 students?
I believe in practically mm, rather than yeah, theoretically.
Yes.
So, by while showing everything practically, you can explain students very easily to understand everything what they want. So,
Okay.
through the physical, like showing the systems and everything, explaining through the physically, showing only, then it will be very easier for students to learn fundamentals. Okay.
Okay. How do you make programming interesting?
Programming is really interesting. It will do while enjoying it, making it a real life situation. I enjoy programming, but like this only that I'm implementing everything in a the real world. Like I'm here. If I will do like this, it will be going to make fun. It will be fun. It's like a game for me. So like that only I can make students to learn programming like that way.
Okay. Let's move to the next question. How do you teach cyber safety?
So I was that's interesting question. I need to learn about detail.
Yes, of course, it is trending and it is
It's
highly
trending
required,
and it's very important. Yeah.
extremely important. Just like how to just suggest a good passwords and cyberbullying, responsibility during
Mhm.
uses of internet. There are lots more privacy, protection. There are many
Mm-hmm.
points. Okay, okay, ma'am.
That
I
is
wish you to kindly study about that particular topic. Okay. Okay,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
As we know that there are different mindsets of students. There are lots of students of different mindset in a particular class. So every teacher has their own way to handle the particular students. How will you handle weak students?
Weak students.
Yes.
जरा हम सीने नौकरी से लिया करते हैं इतना हमको पता बस
Making them
काम खा
study
देंगे
more
काम खा
enjoyable,
देंगे
more
हम लड़की जरा
interesting, the
तब
way
नहीं कॉल
they
करेंगे
like this word, the things. In that way only, I can make them learn this is a computer. Like means
रे तब सीने
whatever
तो नहीं
they are
अपना गांव में
liking,
भाई
and taking that examples, I can make them also learn it.
क्या हम खा लेते हैं हम सीने तो नहीं
Learn
Okay.
this computer.
Okay, ma'am. In the next section, I'm going to ask you about few questions regarding classroom management. Okay.
Mhm.
How do you
तो
maintain
स्टॉक के
discipline in the
पैटर्न के लिए
class?
स्टॉक के लिए लाता है मारुति के चिन्ह तरी
Giving
मूर्ति
some
के चिन्ह तरी
task
मूर्ति के चिन्ह तरी हाँ
task with
तो ये क्या
some interesting topics, so the
ये
students will
चिन्ह
get
तरी
involved in it, and they will do whatever they want, but in discipline.
Okay. Can you please suggest
स्टॉक
some
के लिए नहीं
interesting
करवा
topics?
Like if I'll give them do a PowerPoint project or some word art something, whatever they want, they like in your creative way, how you they are liking. So they will take interest in their creative way, and they will do, and they will take fun and interest in learning it, doing it. If there is some doubts, must be clearing it, but they will learn it. Like that.
Okay.
पूछवा तो क्या कहते
Okay,
हैं
ma'am.
और
So my
मकानी
next
बोलते हैं
question is very practical and it is very surprising that what if the internet is not working? What would you do in that particular class when suddenly we had an internet crash or if there is no electricity? How will you manage in that situation?
No electricity, no internet.
Sometimes, rarely it happens.
It happens, yeah.
Yes. Then how will you control that particular class? Means basically you have to deal with the students in an offline mode because of course we know that computer is a very practical subject, but sometimes it happens. Then how
Hmm.
will you handle in that condition?
In that condition, there is lots of way giving some interesting, like making classroom as a creative, fun, where people students going to like. take interest in it, like
Hmm.
giving some interesting task, like do this topic and research on it, think about it and do all this. They will take interest in it and they will search, they will learn, they will search from books or whatever they want, they discuss also, and they will do. They will actually
Hmm.
involve in their work.
Okay. How will you motivate the students?
Today, world is revolving around AI. Everyone want to learn AI,
Hmm.
and AI is fun. In computer is fun. It is interesting world, but people are not knowing how to do everything.
Yes.
So, like that way, I can
Okay,
and
ma'am.
learn, making them in learning it more. Like that.
As much as possible.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. My next question is, it differ from person to person. What is the role of a computer teacher according to you?
The role of a computer teacher. Every teacher's role is different. But
Yes,
computer
of
teacher,
course.
it is every day is people don't take computer that much seriously. But today's world, computer is so important that everyone want to learn computer. But we have to make fun, means interesting subject. It is actually interesting, but people in very start people are taking less interested in that. It is not going to usable, something like that. So making it
Okay.
understand clearly, but
Basically, a computer teacher is involved in digital literacy rather than other
hmm,
subjects. It's not
yeah,
bookish anymore. Okay. So, ma'am,
yeah.
we are about to end this interview. It is going very well. We are having some questions. Okay. Do you have any questions for us?
No questions. No questions. Suddenly,
No,
I don't
anything.
can't say any questions right now.
Okay. You can take your few minutes and then ask any questions. If you have any doubts, any queries, anything.
Queries is if in case I get selected,
Okay.
where I'll get the job actually within Sivan only.
Yes, in Sivan. Because are you comfortable to teach in Sivan?
Control in Sivan
Okay.
only.
Nearby around 5 kilometers. Are you
Sure.
comfortable to travel?
Sure.
Okay. So you will be notified accordingly, and you're doing good. Okay, so don't worry. And ma'am, if we need, are you able? Are you completely comfortable to join immediately regarding
Immediately. I'll
within
need
one
to
or two
discuss with
days?
my family. I need to
Okay.
discuss with my family.
Are you
My
teaching somewhere
husband.
else?
No. Right now I'm pressure only.
Okay. You don't have any experience in school teaching?
No, not experience in school teaching, but only I've done the home teaching only
Mm-hmm.
to my siblings where I used to teach. I used to take tuitions and all for
Okay.
them only, not for money like that only as a free time.
Um,
Mm.
so it can be a very problematic situation for you to deal with the students, higher class students. Am I right? Or do you handle it?
I
The
can
students of
handle it.
class ninth, 10th, or 8th up
I,
to 8th class. Is it okay?
I, I'll manage. I'll try my best.
Okay. Okay. Is there any problem regarding conversation because you are completely different from
Mm.
our Bihar state? Do you have any
Mm.
communication problems, or is it fine?
No, I'm totally
Because
fine.
okay, because
I
most of
speak
the
every.
students,
Uh,
yes, ma'am, please
most
speak
of
up.
no. What most of the students?
Most of the students belong to a very rural background or are be having a very extremely rural tongue. So, are you comfortable? Sometimes there are
If
few
you want,
words
right?
which you are, yes. Okay, then it is
Hmm.
completely fine. We will
Hmm.
notify you regarding your progress or performance.
Okay.
Anything else? Anything question? Any queries from your side?
Hmm. Right now, I don't remember. Not getting any
Okay.
question.
Okay, it's completely
Okay.
fine. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.